distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishna Sir, Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Jishnudev Verma Ji, Chief Minister, Shri Devendra Fadnavis Ji, Srimati Sunetra Pawar Ma'am, Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha Ji, CS Rajesh Agrawal Sir, ACS Verma Ma'am, Governing Council members, Academic Council members, distinguished guests, faculties, and my dear students. I warmly welcome everyone to this historic moment, the first convocation of Ratan Tata Maharashtra State Skills University. Today we shall be conferring degrees and diplomas to 120 students, while more than 25,000 learners will receive skills certification, marking a proud milestone in their academic and professional journeys. Aligned with the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Vikasit Bharat, the university has undertaken extensive skilling initiatives in emerging and critical areas like artificial intelligence, cyber security, national safety, underwater domain, green hydrogen, to name a few. In remarkable achievements of the university, we have trained a record 10,000 women in AI, empowering them to actively participate in future workforce. In a milestone development, the Department of Home has awarded the university a prestigious research project valued 17 crores for the development of face recognition system. This initiative actively engages researchers along with MTech and BTech students being monitored by IIT Bombay. Research and innovation remains at the heart of the university. Our own racing team of Vajrastra has received a funding of 11,90,000 from few leading industries in Maharashtra. Further strengthening the innovation ecosystem, 25 of our students have been awarded Amrit funding of 25,000 rupees for the early stage startups. We've also set up pre-incubation centers in 160 colleges in Maharashtra on a pro bono mode. The university has also received the research mandate from Commissionerate of Employability to develop the portal where the students are working. 700 students have been trained in the basic German language, providing the support to overseas employment opportunity, strengthening the university's commitment to global employability. We've forged strong international collaborations with Rubika France for twinning programs for bachelor's degree in design, with East Tennessee State University for student exchanges, with GIZ to build up AI credentials, with Leipzig University, Germany for AI living labs, wherein we are trying to facilitate solving real-life problems and placement of the students both in India as well as in Germany. With St. Petersburg, Russia, we have also initiated employability initiatives. Harvard Business School has been a partner for design thinking, and we are providing world-class learning opportunities to the students. The university has expanded its global outreach by training candidates from Brazil, US, Japan in Ayush therapies, enabling them to set up wellness centers in their respective countries. We have implemented the World Bank funded RAM project very recently, where 9,960 participants have been trained in the employability skills ranging from agri-sector, natural farming, commercial vegetable production, making a mark on 34 districts in the state of Maharashtra. We've also aligned to the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan of Government of India, and 3,000 candidates have been trained in this area who have taken up jobs in the industry. The university remains deeply committed to nurturing critical thinking and problem-solving capabilities among students. Today, I'm really obliged to have all dignitaries who have spared their time, and I welcome every one of you who have come here and for a blessing to me and the university and the students of this newly established university by Government of Maharashtra. Thank you.